Take a moment to arrive here, right where you are. Close your eyes and please stop trying to focus just for this time together. Your brain has been asked to hold too many things at once today. Too many tabs open, not just on your computer, but in your mind. And a mind holding too many things at once cannot hold any single thing well. This is not a failure of willpower or discipline. This is your nervous system telling you it needs a moment to consolidate before it can concentrate again. As you inhale, feel your awareness narrowing gently, without force, from the wide, scattered field of everything you've been trying to hold on to the simple sensation of your breath moving in. As you exhale, let everything else soften into the background. Feel the exhale as the air leaves your body, just for this breath, just for this moment. Notice how it feels to hold just one thing at a time. You are able to simply hold and notice your breath. That is focus, and it begins here, not with more effort, but with less. I am sending you so much love.